Hi, my name is Casey Michael, and I decided to do the fairy tale Stormfront by Jim Butcher. The story Stormfront by Jim Butcher is a very interesting story, to say the least. It involves cops, wizards, and it all takes place in modern day Chicago. The main character, Harry Dresden, he's a wizard that resides in Chicago. But there are also these very bad, evil wizards that live in Chicago as well. And they're giving the Wizards a bad reputation and a bad name because they are developing a very addictive drug that allows people to have visions like the Wizards do. Harry is hired on to the police department in the special investigations unit because there was a murder that took place, and it wasn't from the normal people world. It was a special kind of murder, and he's trying to clear the Wizards' names and clear his own name since he killed someone in self defense, and the White Council is watching over him like a hawk. And while he was helping the police, he got tangled up with Johnny Marcone. Marcone wants him to look the other way because Marcone is a crime boss, so his crimes can go unreported. But Harry has to work smart and hard in both worlds to make sure everything is okay.